morning everyone. My name is Shraddha from grade 1. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Wednesday. Today's day 29 January 2025. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha Olympiad from grade 2. Today I am going to tell you today's thought of the day. The thought of the day is a newspaper is a circulating library with high blood pressure. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha from grade 2. Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha from grade 2. This is Shraddha from grade 2. I am Arjun Patil from grade 1. My name is Mital Patil from grade 2.
Today we are going to tell the importance of the day. Today we are observing Indian Newspaper Day. This day is celebrated on November 16 every year.
This day highlights the role of newspaper in educating and empowering people. Now I would like to talk about the history of Indian newspaper. The first Indian newspaper was formed by James in 1780. Now let's talk about the various importance of newspaper like informing the public, educating society and spread with democracy.
Now we would share the contribution of newspaper played major role in a freedom movement, social reform,
Growth and development. Can you please name some popular newspapers of India other than Times of India?
Yes, sure, like the Hindu, the Indian Express, the Hindustan Times and Dainik Bhaskar.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize on democracy by sharing information,
Awareness of social political matters. Promote the habits of reading and staying updated.